The View from the Furnace by Daniel Audet. Sorrow is a portal between the being and the nothing, specks of light and stardust, twisting the stone, blood of drip, a final drip, drop of meaning. The view from the furnace, an invitation to the mysteries. There are older roads than these, but they have all been forgotten. In the valley there is wind. If you submit, you can fly. Sparks in an infinite dark, breathing the bone, loss of grip, a death grip, slip of meaning. Air so dry, the feel of flesh like dust. Wind so wild, she screams across my soul.